Okay guys, it's already 9:15 p.m. Ito nyo naman sa labas is beautiful. Dito pa rin kami sa reading. Mountainous. Ayan. Perfect ano lang tayo. Painit na sa likod. Nag-order na kami ng pagkain from the kitchen. Kitchen natin dyan. Yung shop natin may ilaw pa. Ano yung nasa likod? Kusina? Yung kusina dun sa likod. Ganda ng sunset ah. Oh, wow. See that guys? You see that? So mag-iinit na kami ng pagkain, matagal na uminit. So we're gonna wait. We will wait, but
Mura natin yan. We're at this 30 minutes.
braking, bro. I'll be braking green na car. Medyo normal. Okay, naka 1 minute na. Later again, okay? See you later. Bye-bye.